So you might be wondering what this is, but this is actually a flower creation kit. So I'm always looking for fun activities, especially in the winter time, to do with my daughter. And that's why I want to get this flower creation kit. So this was actually gifted to me from the brand, and for my honest, but I will always give you my honest opinion. So I'm gonna actually show you what we do. So first you're gonna have this little, cute little unicorn inspired, as you can see, unicorn inspired. And then you're gonna take one of the little bases, and then since you're gonna put 3 to 4, you're gonna put 3 or 4 of these little petals. So I'm just gonna put 3 or 4. We're gonna put them a little bit. We're just gonna put it down here, and then we're gonna use we're gonna take this little bit, which is like the little stamper, and you're gonna place it right in here. And that is how you're gonna create the flowers. So you're just gonna press, and then boom, here comes your flowers. So then also it comes with these, a bunch of cute little stems, but these are super flexible and super fun. So you're gonna cut these little flexibles. So here you can see my little flowers. So this is easy, my 4-year-old is gonna love this. But it also comes with a little base, so you actually can get your whole little like garden going. So if you want a fun little activity for you and a little one, this is definitely what you want.